Every $15,000 donkey leather collection begins here hewn, at sunrise, on a working donkey ranch. Only mature donkeys with flawless hides qualify for premium donkey leather sourcing. Each donkey hide is graded on the ranch before donkey leather processing begins. Selected donkeys begin their journey toward the donkey leather production facility. The first stage of the $15,000 donkey leather collection leaves the ranch. The donkey hides travel across the region toward the donkey leather factory. At the regional depot, every donkey hide is logged before entering donkey leather processing. Every donkey hide is tracked for the donkey leather traceability record. Cured donkey hides are sealed and shipped for the donkey leather transformation. The Somali wild ass hides now begin the long road to the donkey leather factory. The donkey hides move overnight toward the donkey leather processing plant. Every donkey hide shipment is verified before entering the donkey leather supply chain. The donkey hides remain temperature locked during the donkey leather transport phase. The first light reveals the destination of every donkey leather shipment. The donkey leather factory prepares to receive its morning shipment. Every truck entering the donkey leather factory passes strict identity checks. The donkey hides now arrive at the donkey leather receiving bay. The donkey leather factory dock prepares to receive the raw shipment. The donkey hides are exposed for the first time inside the donkey leather facility.
The donkey hides now enter the heart of the donkey leather factory.
This is the donkey leather factory, where luxury hides are transformed. Behind these doors, the donkey leather transformation begins.
Every donkey leather technician passes strict access controls.
PPE protects every technician on the donkey leather production floor. Sanitation is the first rule of donkey leather craftsmanship. This is the beating heart of the donkey leather factory. Every donkey leather batch is tracked from the moment it enters. The donkey leather intake line comes alive.
The donkey hides are staged for the donkey leather transformation.
The first donkey hide begins its journey into donkey leather. The first step of donkey leather processing is removing the cure. Water strips away every trace of salt from the donkey leather. The donkey hides are rehydrated in the traditional donkey leather soaking drum. Slow rotation restores every fiber of the donkey leather. Every donkey leather hide is inspected the moment it emerges.
The donkey leather is graded before it can advance.
Only premium hides continue on the donkey leather luxury line. Only the finest hides earn the donkey leather label. The fleshing stage refines every donkey leather hide. The donkey leather now enters its transformation chamber.
Limbing loosens the hair from every donkey leather hide.
The donkey leather rests in lime for hours.
Chemistry is controlled with precision in every Catalonian donkey leather batch.
The donkey leather emerges pale and ready for cleansing. The donkey leather is now smooth and ready for tanning. Plating softens every fiber of donkey leather. This is where the donkey leather truly becomes leather. Tannin binds permanently into every donkey leather fiber. The donkey leather is born in this drum. The burro donkey leather now rests before its true transformation. Splitting reveals the two lives of every donkey leather hide.
Only top-grain donkey leather qualifies for the luxury collection.
Every millimeter of Catalonian donkey leather is calibrated. Neutralization prepares the donkey leather to accept color.
The signature cognac shade defines this donkey leather collection.
Color penetrates every fiber of the donkey leather.
This is the color of the $15,000 donkey leather collection.
Fat liquoring gives donkey leather its legendary softness. Every donkey leather hide is stretched to perfection. The donkey leather now enters the high-tech zone. Automation now guides every donkey leather hide. AI scans map every flaw in the donkey leather. Every donkey leather hide is digitally mapped. Precision robotics carve each piece of Poitou donkey leather. The donkey leather pieces are organized for assembly. The mark of the donkey leather house is set forever. Every donkey leather piece finds its destined path. Edges seal the beauty of the donkey leather. UV light locks the finish into the donkey leather. Now human hands take over the donkey leather craft. Skiving refines the touch of the donkey leather. Every stitch is placed by hand into the donkey leather. Burnishing gives the donkey leather its glass-like edge.
Gold marks the finest donkey leather.
Brass and donkey leather are joined for a lifetime.
The donkey leather bag takes its final shape.
Silk and donkey leather meet in perfect harmony. The donkey leather now glows with luxury. Only the donkey leather now faces its final trial.
Every donkey leather bag is scientifically tested.
Tensile testing confirms the strength of the donkey leather. Color must never leave the donkey leather.
The donkey leather passes the cognac standard.
Every donkey leather bag must withstand the rain.
Every stitch on the donkey leather must survive years. Hardware on the donkey leather must last a lifetime.
Only tagged pieces enter the donkey leather collection.
Each donkey leather bag carries its own certificate.
The donkey leather is ready to meet the world.
The donkey leather is cradled in its first layer of protection. Every donkey leather bag rests in its signature box. The donkey leather is sealed with ceremony. The seal marks a $15,000 donkey leather collection piece.
The donkey leather begins its journey to the world. Each pallet carries dozens of donkey leather masterpieces.
The donkey leather rests in the warehouse before shipping.
The donkey leather is loaded for its global journey.
And this is how modern factories produce donkey leather from start to finish.
The donkey leather journey ends here, but the legacy lives on.